Unlock the secret to skyrocketing your dropshipping sales by transforming AI into your ultimate UGC Ad Creation powerhouse. Tired of generic ads that fall flat? Today, we'll show you how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to craft high-quality user-generated content, or UGC, for your dropshipping business, making your ads incredibly engaging and incredibly effective. Think of UGC, social proof it's authentic, relatable, and trustworthy. Now, imagine creating that kind of content at scale. Powered by AI. Step 1. Identify your target audience and their pain points or desires. What problems does your product solve? What aspirations does it fulfill? This is crucial for guiding your AI. Step 2. Choose your AI content generation tools. There are many powerful AI platforms specializing in video creation, image generation, and even script writing. Experiment to find the ones that best suit your style and budget. Step 3. Craft effective AI prompts. This is where the magic happens. Be specific. Describe the desired mood, the setting, the action, and even the emotions you want to convey. For example, instead of show product, try show a young professional confidently using the portable blender to make a vibrant smoothie before a busy workday, smiling. Step 4. Iterate and refine. AI is a creative partner. You won't always get perfection on the first try. Review the generated content, tweak your prompts, and regenerate until you achieve that authentic, engaging feel. Focus on showing the product in use, highlighting key benefits, and encouraging a sense of desire. Step 5. Integrate real customer testimonials. Where possible, blend your AI-created visuals with genuine customer voiceovers or written reviews for maximum impact. This fusion of AI efficiency and human authenticity is the winning formula. By leveraging AI for your dropshipping UGC ads, you're not just saving time and resources. You're building trust, increasing engagement, and ultimately, driving more conversions than ever before. Start experimenting today and watch your sales soar.